AM 1430 KRGI, 105.5 FM. Good morning. I'm Brian Gallagher. We have a guest today from Central District Health Department. Nancy Esch is the Infection Prevention Coordinator, and she's here to talk about something that is relatively new. It's called Project Firstline. First off, welcome. Good to have you here.
Thank you.
Let's talk about Project Firstline. Tell me the initial history as all of this comes together.
Sure, absolutely. Project Firstline is a CDC initiative that was launched in October of 2020 to address longstanding gaps in infection control knowledge and practice in U.S. healthcare settings. So the key points with Project Firstline is it's a national training collaborative for healthcare infection control. It provides for all healthcare workers, so regardless of settings, so long-term care, assisted living, hospitals, dialysis centers. And it offers a variety of infection control education resources. And these resources really meet the diverse needs and learning preferences of the healthcare and public health workforce.
Well, with all of those different types of facilities and settings to work with, how do you introduce this? Because that's a big job.
Yeah, okay. So, we at the Central District Health Department received some funding from NACCHO, which is another branch of the CDC. And we are to use Project Firstline tools and resources to build and provide infection prevention trainings for healthcare facilities in the Central District. So, for example, Brian, injection safety and point of care blood testing trainings, enhanced barrier precaution trainings, environmental services trainings, we do that. Then we go into the healthcare facilities and provide these trainings to the frontline staff. We keep the trainings short, 30 minutes or less, because we really want to accommodate their tough schedules. So we fit in, for instance, during their monthly staff meetings.
Makes sense to me. So is this something that they're eager to have you come? I mean, are they saying, yes, we'd love to have you, we need to have you here?
That's a very important part. So first of all, healthcare facilities are required to provide infection prevention trainings upon staff hire and yearly. So from the feedback that we've received so far, facilities have been really grateful to have our support and help to reduce some of their intense workload about providing infection prevention and trainings. So this has been a real positive experience to provide and to continue to provide infection control trainings to healthcare facilities in the Central District.
Makes perfect sense to me. So we've seen enough things that have changed our life over the last few years, so this makes a lot of sense. It's called Project Firstline.
Right. And
the information is available through Central District Health Department. If they would like to find out more, any of these facilities, how do they reach out to you?
Yeah, thank you. They just need to call the Central District Health Department and ask for either myself, Nancy, or our infectious disease manager, John Amanjo, and they can call 308-385-5175.
It can be just that easy, and you can have better results. All right, Nancy Esch, come back again, okay?
Thanks, Brian.
Good morning from AM 1430 KRGI, 105.5 FM.